Are you starting to see fine lines and wrinkles? Well, I know I am. Today, I'm going to share with you a beauty shake that helps prevent the onset of wrinkles from happening. So recently I celebrated my 44th birthday, and let me tell you, at this age in my life, I'm all about the anti-aging benefits. So I'm not gonna lie, I do have Botox and fillers in my face. I've been doing those for a very long time, probably 10 plus years, and they do help, that is for sure. However, there are things that you can do by increasing certain foods in your diet that are also going to help prevent aging from occurring on the outside. So today I'm going to share with you a smoothie that includes some of those ingredients, and it's also delicious. All right, so I think probably the foremost ingredient that you should include in any beauty shake when it comes to anti-aging and wrinkles is a collagen protein powder. So collagen is beneficial because it helps rebuild your own collagen. It also helps prevent dehydration in the skin. And once you get dehydration happening, that's when actually wrinkles occur. So I'm including 1 scoop of collagen protein, and I'm actually using a flavored collagen protein, a strawberry one. I use collagen daily, usually not in a smoothie. Sometimes I do have it in a smoothie, but usually I just take 1 scoop with water. I'm also going to include an isoprotein. That's just going to help increase my protein intake for the day. More protein you have in your diet, the more you're supporting those systems that make the structures of your skin, because protein is part of our building block of our skin. Okay, next up, I'm going to include some avocado. So avocado is full of an antioxidant called glutathione. Glutathione is a very strong antioxidant. It can help prevent damage that's done to the skin. So I'm just providing about 1/4 of an avocado in there. I'm also going to put in some strawberries and blueberries. Now, they're both berries. Berries are high in antioxidants as well. Anytime you can reduce any kind of damage that's going to be done by free radicals, those are the things that cause aging to occur, that's a benefit. Okay, and next I'm going to put in a little bit of pitya, which is dragon fruit. It's very pretty, it's pink. It also contains some vitamin C, as do the berries. Vitamin C is important because it helps build the collagen in our body. Okay, and last, I'm including beetroot. Now you might be surprised, beetroot isn't exactly the nicest tasting ingredient, but it's actually full of natural nitrates. So nitrates help increase blood flow, and when you increase blood flow to the skin, you help remove toxins from the skin. It also increases, when you're increasing blood flow, that makes sure that you're getting, things are moving in your body, so you don't need to worry about things getting stuck, if that makes sense. Okay, next I'm just going to add a little bit of water and almond milk. And a little bit of coconut yogurt. This is just for creaminess, and I'm not a huge fan of dairy, but I do have it sometimes. Okay, let's blend this. Now we're ready to give this a go. So even if you're not a big fan of protein shakes, the color of this smoothie is amazing, and it helps you with your skin. So there you go, full of vitamin C, collagen, protein to help with your skin, prevent those wrinkles from happening. Yum.